2007 S63 AMG. We just added MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS in the middle. A little more. Not as loud. It's quieter. It was loud before. Let those warm up a little bit. I think it sounds good. But you have exhaust scavenge. You know, like sucking air back in. That's exhaust scavenge. Again. Yeah, see, the warmer it gets, the quieter they get. I think it sounds good. And you gotta remember, it's cutting the air off right away. Because you're not going driving. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 107. Go ahead and back it up. I like it. MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS in the middle, rear door. Sounds mean. AMG 6.3L. Let you guys hear it on the inside.